Hi there, this is Erin with the Perfect Fit Pattern Society. Today I'm going to show you how to join in the round without a jog. This is the way that I join every time that I want to knit in the round. And I like it because it creates a tight join as well as kind of an invisible line. So you want to cast on the number of stitches that are called for in your pattern plus 1. So I have here 21 stitches, so this would be for a pattern that called to cast on 20 stitches to begin with. You're going to move the first stitch that is not your working yarn end, and you're going to simply pull it over here. So I just like to line these up and scooch it on over right there. Okay, so now we have an extra stitch over here. And then the very last stitch that was cast on, I drop that off. And so you end up losing that stitch. But with your working yarn, you can pull that tight, the stitch disappears, you end up with the same number of stitches on each needle, and you're able to use that working yarn to then work across your cast on stitches, and it keeps everything nice and neat and tidy. And as you can tell on the inside, there's no weird jog going on. So it creates an invisible join. So that's my favorite method, and I hope you like it.